Guys, what's going on? Oregon Motorcycle back today with another episode, bringing you an episode containing mods for the BMW 310 GS. I'm going to apologize in advance for some of the background noise. I'm going to have to do maybe some editing to try to get that out. So you might see some music in certain places or whatever. So, yeah. So anyways, we got some parts from Revzilla here. And what we got here, we got a set of crash bars right there, as you can see, and these are the SW Motech crash bars. I believe they are the lower guards or whatever. And then over here we got the I guess cube is maybe the way you pronounce that. These are the flip up levers. These are really nice actually. So we may or may not be installing these today. I'm not 100% sure. What we're going to focus today on is the crash bars. So, and then here there's a set of bar clusters, but we forgot to order the plastic shields or whatever you want to call them. So stay tuned for all that stuff, guys. If this is your first time tuning in, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button if you go want to see content on these small adventure bikes. So we have the 310 GS right here, and I have the Honda CB500X. My buddy just bought a KTM 390 Adventure, so we're doing it up on these bikes, you guys. So we got a lot of stuff in store and a lot of fun stuff planned. So without further ado, let's jump into the project. Nice and warm out here. So as you can see, the SW Motech crash bars come with nice detailed instructions with a parts list and nice illustrated instructions, and with the hardware and everything else. We're supplying the Loctite and the tools, of course. So anyway, so basically, guys, we're going to start here with. Go ahead, you're fine.
Actually, we need it. It says to jack it up.
Oh, okay. We might miss this step. Hold on. Yeah. All right. Oh, I should probably get a drier one. We're using the large washer. There's two different spacers, actually, not really a washer, but it's a spacer. We're using the larger one on the left-hand side, and we'll use the smaller, shorter one on the right-hand side. And right hand, left hand, if you're sitting on the bike, remember, guys, always left hand, right, as if you're controlling the machine, whether it be a tractor, motorcycle, or whatever.
There we go. That feels good. Okay, now I need to stick on this part. Maybe it's just one side sticky tape and a rubber barrier.
Oh, okay, that makes more sense. Dude, we could be like 650 E. Like, I could be 650 E, and like you can be his mechanic.
Nah.
That'd be pretty cool, huh? I talked to him today on Instagram.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah, he did a live feed, and then I commented on the live feed, and he's like, "Hey, what's up, Oregon Motorcycle?" He's all, "I like that guy. He always comments on my videos." Remember, guys, always use Loctite on all your bolts, especially when you're dealing with aftermarket stuff. You want to make sure everything's Loctited so you don't have bolts rattling loose on the trail. That would not be good. So we're gonna get this clamp thing put on here, and we're gonna start snugging everything up. And just get it snug, and then we're gonna get the other side put on while this one's still kind of loose, so we can mate them up, because they have to be mated up in the front with 2 more bolts. So. But so far, so good. This is a pretty straightforward install, and the fit and finish on the SW Motech crash bars is excellent in my opinion. So this one, guys, is right up against the radiator hose. We're gonna see if we can do it without removing it. Looks like we should be able to. So guys, one thing real quick is just make sure when you guys install the second side that you're getting your overlap correct. We goofed, we weren't paying attention, and we have the bottom on the top and the top on the bottom. So now we gotta almost completely loosen one side to get this reset. So just pay attention to that.
I don't know if it actually goes. It's kind of weird though.
So the last 2 bolts here, guys, that we're gonna put in, and these are actually lock nuts. So, so you don't have to use any Loctite on them or anything.
Get it started. Good girl.
So the torque specs for this bolt are get as tight as you can with a 6-inch wrench, right? Is that what you're saying?
Sure.
All right, guys, so we're missing a little part for the brake lever, which he's gonna order. So we can't put the brake lever on, but instead we're gonna do bark busters, which look awesome. How much do these cost?
Like $100. Yeah, and it didn't even come with the plastic pieces.
Yeah, so buyer beware. You gotta order the plastic pieces separate. The hardware looks pretty beefy though. It's machined aluminum, that's probably why it's expensive.
Yeah, I should have got some cheap stuff.
It's a BMW, dude. You can't put cheap stuff on it. Alright guys, so these bark busters are going to keep the original weights on, and the bark buster actually mounts to the outside of this with a washer in between the original weight and the bark buster itself. So something like this right here. In fact, we're just going to do it right now.
Okay.
Got it? Now we need to, so this is a mock-up right here, guys. We got the angles correct. This is a really nice set of bark busters here. So we're going to get the Loctite out and put Loctite on all these bolts and throw the next side on. This is a really simple install.
That big weird ass gap right there.
All right, guys, we got it wrapped up here. We ended up flipping these over and going the lower route, which worked out really good. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, Oregon Motorcycle.